Hello friends and welcome to our new video. Today we will make some fast meal. We will make oyster mushrooms in some kind of sauce of garlic and these all other ingredients. So you will need some chili, dried chili flakes, some 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small shallot, a little bit of rosemary, salt, pepper and vegeta. This is dried vegetables with salt. First thing we will need to do is to chop down the oyster mushrooms. They don't need to be very thin because they will shrink. See you when I finish this. Oysters are cut and now you will need to put them in frying pan and let them on a medium heat so they release water. Our oysters are cooking in frying pan slowly. We will cut the garlic on small pieces, not too big. Now that the garlic is done, you will cut the shallot, but you don't cut it on very small pieces. You'll just cut it in half and cut it like this. Oyster mushrooms have released a bit of water. It was much more, but it evaporated. And now when you see that there is no water, you will add olive oil, sunflower oil or any other oil, but I found olive oil to work the best. So now when there is no water, you will add oil and mix them. And now you will add, wait a little bit and then add all other ingredients. Now you add your rosemary and chilies. Mix them a bit so they doesn't stick and put the heat on the low so you can add everything up. Then you will add pepper, vegeta, salt, and mix it. You can also add some sour cream or something juicy, but I will eat them like this. Of course I forgot something, but it's not too late. You will add your garlic and shallot. And add a little bit of oil. So they fry a little bit. No need for high heat, just medium and low heat. Oyster mushrooms are done. You can serve this meal with rice, mashed potatoes and something like that. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And also, if you are new, consider subscribe, like or share. Ciao!
Ciao!